Good evening, children. Today I am going to discuss with you about the causes of disability. There are various causes of disability due to those disabilities. Due to those causes or those reasons, disability occur in a child. First reason of disability is genetic. First reason of disability is genetic causes. Disability may be genetic. If the parents are suffering from some diseases like muscular atrophy or muscular dystrophy, then there are chances that children may also have these two disabilities. Disability, this genetic disability is a genetic problem which is being transferred from one generation to the next generation. Second point of or second reason of disability is poverty. Poverty play a very big role in disability. Poor people do not live at a place which have proper sanitation. Poor people do not get proper nutritious food, proper poor people do not even get pure and drinking water. There is lack of education in poor people, due to which they become the victim of those diseases also, which may be avoided by them by taking the precautions. Sometimes working conditions of poor people, where the factory etc., where they are working, are such that they become the victim of disability. The place where they are living is having the problem of proper lighting, proper sunlight, etc. So these are the reasons due to which this poor people become the victim of disability. Third point comes mental health problems. Mental health problems may also be a reason of disability. Mental health problems like depression, bipolar and disorder may be the causes of disability. It is very difficult to diagnose these disorders, these problems at a proper time. It is very difficult to diagnose these problems. Sometimes when these problems are not being diagnosed at proper time, the individuals become the victim of disability. Accident is the also a cause of disability. In accident, a person can become fully handicapped, or he may become disabled. Accident can happen anywhere, on the road, on the working place, etc. Infection. Number 5 is infectious diseases. Infectious disease means which transfer from person to person. Nowadays, this corona is also a infectious disease because it is transferred or spread by the corona positive peoples to other peoples. Immunity of a children must be very good. If a child is having good immunity, he may protect himself from infectious diseases. Nowadays, lot of emphasis is being given on immunity. Everybody is saying, even media is also saying to improve the immunity. They are telling the new ways how to improve the immunity. Somebody is saying, somebody is doing the advertise to take kadha, and somebody are advertising their product, that our products are useful to improve the immunity. So if the immunity of a child is not good, definitely he will become the victim of infectious diseases. And due to this infectious diseases, a child can become the victim of mumps, which can cause hearing impairments, and polio, which can cripple the child. Then comes disturbance in endocrine gland. Disturbances in endocrine gland. If a child is having endocrine disturbances in endocrine gland, he will or he may suffer from disability. This disability may be physical and mental also. Then comes malnutrition. Malnutrition means a child needs a proper diet for the growth and development. If a child will not get the proper diet, which consists all the required elements of balanced diet, he will become weak. Due to the deficiency of calcium, bone malformation can be happen. Same way, due to the deficiency of calcium, bone malformation can be happen. Same way, due to the deficiency of iodine, body development can be diminished. Due to the shortage of vitamin A, child can suffer from blindness. Due to the shortage of vitamin B12, a child may suffer from memory loss and paralysis. Then comes poor health facilities. Unfortunately, our country is lagging behind to provide the health facilities to its citizens. So, sometimes when a lady did not get the proper treatment in um, difficult labor and birth, due to which child may become disabled. But if the properly qualified, properly trained doctor take these type of cases, then the chances of disability in the child become less. In remote area, even nowadays also, children are taking birth at home. So, due to which children may become disabled. Then comes war. War means, we all know that during war situation, along with the soldiers, many civilians become mental and physical disabled. Some of the civilians lost their their limbs, and not only physically, but they are very badly affected. Civilians are very badly affected due to the war, because nitrogen, hydrogen bomb, etc. are being used in the war. Nuclear weapon, biological weapon, atomic weapon are being used in the war. So, along with the physical disability, civilian may also suffer from mental disability also. Then comes lack of education. Lack of education also play a part in disability. Generally, the laborers are not qualified. They don't know how to protect themselves from the diseases, due to which they become the victim of those diseases also, from which they can protect themselves by taking a little precaution even. They don't know the proper way of treatment. Sometimes they go to medical store and treat themselves at their own by taking some tablets, etc. So, due to this, they may become disabled. Then comes medicine and vaccines. Everybody knows that medicine and vaccines play a vital role in the life of a person, but there are many large number of people in the field of medical, those who are not registered or qualified. They do not take care while treating the patient. Improperly stored medicines or vaccines, reuse of this syringe, they do properly. Due to the reuse of or unclean syringe, due to the use of and due to the reuse and due to the use of unclean syringes, a individual can become the victim of hepatitis B, HIV and AIDS. So, due to this problem also, a individual can become the victim of disability. Dangerous working environment. Sometimes the factory, the farm, and if the people do work on such places which are not having the proper protective gears. Sometimes while doing work in the factory, some chemicals are coming out from the products, so due to which the laborers can become the disabled. Farmers are doing their work in the field, but if they are not using the proper protection while using this pesticide, etc., they may suffer from disability. Then, so these are the things by which a individual can become the victim of disability. Then comes toxic materials and use of pesticides, etc. Toxic materials like lead and mercury found in various products. Farmers are using pesticide in large amount to increase the growing power of soil, which is harmful for the civilians, especially for children. By using the products or the crops which are having large amount of pesticide in that, individual may suffer from various diseases. So this is also a cause, this is toxic acid and pesticide, etc., also the causes of disability. So it was the discussion about the causes of disability.